Welcome to Impulz Masters. I'm Bernardo Pro, digital marketing strategist and email marketing specialist. So today I just want to show you how we capture leads from the websites that we create directly to CRM platforms. And that's the same way we used to capture leads from clients' website. If we create website for you, this is how we're going to capture your leads, your customers, the way they're going to come in, the register form, then their details will go directly to your CRM platform, where you will manage all the information and whatever services your clients want. So let's get started. So this is our CRM. Doesn't matter, you can use any, whatever you use, doesn't matter. So we are going to our website directly. Let me go to our website, Impulz Master. Here. So I'm using this as an example of what we are going to do. So let me go to contact. So this is an example of a form that we will put in your website. So I put the email address like that, then put name. I will just use my name, Bernard, and put just a random number. This is not a real number, but for your case, your customer will put the correct number. Then here, the customer will choose what services they want. So for example, here we have 4 services. So I will choose one, like web development. Choose that one. Then I can say, can I get a quote for the selected service? Yeah, like that. So let's submit the form. Now the form has been submitted. So what we are going to do, we are going to our CRM platform and see and confirm if that contact has been created there. Now let me minimize this one. So you're coming back here, go to CRM. So in the contact, you can see I have some contacts here, but this is the latest contact, the one which I've just added right now from the web form. So you can see here, I have some list here. I have 2 lists. This is for another service. This now for Impulz. If I open this one, it will be here. So this is the contact. First name Bernard, the same way I put there. Email address, you can see. Then the random number. So if we had WhatsApp attribute in our form, it will be appearing here. We'll put a number here. Then you see the message, can I get a quote for the selected service? The service which the client selected is web development. So when you open this contact, still you will get this information right here. You'll get this information right here, all of it. So if in our company we have a team, we have a sales team, I can assign this contact to one of our sales team who will deal with this client. So I can just select here and make that person to deal with them. But for now, I'm the only one here. I can just put, I'm the contact owner, so I'm the one who will deal with that client. So now, the moment a contact or a lead submit a form, after some few minutes, they get a message. So let's get to that inbox and see what message was sent there. So this is the account I used to send to fill this form. Now let's go to inbox. I'll refresh here. when I go back to inbox, you'll see there's a new message from sales team. Welcome, Bernard. Thank you for your request. We received your message. One of our specialists will contact you shortly to confirm. So this is auto response from the CRM, from our marketing list, from email marketing automation. We have there in our CRM. I will show you. So the client can confirm this one by continuing to chat on WhatsApp if it's readily available right now. So if the client continue and chat on WhatsApp, it will directly lead that person to WhatsApp. You see, then they can open WhatsApp here and they can chat with Bernardo, as you can see here. So this is what we do, and you can see we maintain our brand theme colors. You see from the website, you see the way our brand look like. The same way we maintain with our emails, themes, and template, the same way. So that is an example of what we can do with your lead collection and send them directly to CRM